història que va passar en aquell moment, sinó portar al públic a que estigui en aquest moment. Estem a Nova York, estem a l'East Side, estem en tot el que socialment passava en aquell moment i ho tenim dins d'un teatre real que hem creat adequat a com era la vida d'aquests personatges i com l'haguessin transformat aquests personatges.
New York City. Center of the universe.
Sang it, girl.
Times are shitty, but I'm pretty sure they can't get worse.
I hear that.
It's a comfort to know when you're singing the Hit the Road blues that anywhere else you could possibly go after New York would be a pleasure cruise.
Now you're talking. Well, I'm thwarted by a metaphysic puzzle, and I'm sick of grading papers that I know. I'm shouting in my sleep, I need a muzzle, and all this misery pays no salary, so